What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wisco Angling here. Out here at probably one of my favorite lakes, that lake that I caught that nice pike at last year, and also a lot of nice panfish. Hoping it's going to be kind of good today. I really don't know, but it has warmed up in the last few days. If you are anywhere, I guess you would know, but specifically like central Wisconsin, kind of where I'm at right now, the last couple days has been like mid-30s after like 2 weeks of negatives. So I'm hoping that the fish are fired up a little bit more. I did start fishing a little bit and got that guy, so that's just a real nice solid like 9-inch bluegill there, and we're bringing him home, her home, I don't know, and we're gonna eat her up. But hopefully we can get some more going. I have marked a few more fish, popped a few more holes, and not really wanting to bite. I think I'm gonna drill a few more out into a little bit deeper water, just like 9, 10, 11, and about 8 here. So just get a little deeper, see if there's anything out there. If not, I have a few more spots I can try in the lake, and hopefully we can get them to bite. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can get some fish going. Here we go. We got a few nice gills on the camera here coming in. Oh, that's a good one. Come on, come eat it. Come on. It's a pretty solid gill. I don't know why I'm whispering. 2 down there. Oh, 3, another one coming in. Got him. It's a nice gill right there. Look at that. It's a keeper. Throw him in the ice, get some dinner. Couple freezer fillers. It's a nice gill. No doubt about it. Another pod of like 3 nice gills just came through. See if I can get one to hit. Oh, 4 nice gills. This one's coming over here like he might do something here. It's nice because all these fish I see on the camera here are definitely keepers. Okay, there's a lot of gills down there. I can see a lot of them in the background. Come on. Come get it. Oh, I was gonna set the hook, but he sucked in just the head of it. Of course he did. Get the other end, guy. No. No. Come back. That's so upsetting. I hate when they do that. Well, there's your explanation and what is nice about having the camera there, because you out fishing, you just see the rod tip, kind of just bop. But with the camera, you'd think, oh, yeah, he bit it, but you missed him. But in reality, he just had the head of the jig, so no hook at that part. No way you're going to be bringing him up the hole by that. There's another good gill right in the background. That might even be bigger than the one that was just on the screen. But he's swimming off. Well, might not get a whole lot of them, but be few and far between. And they'll be coming in here and those waves like that. Hopefully we can pick out a few, but it's only 2:30, so kind of still that midday-ish crap. Hoping for an evening bite here, them gills turn on, and then maybe even get a few pike or something. On the got a dead stick here to my side. All I had was big fat head, so that's what I got on actually behind me. I just have a iFish Pro set up behind me, and then here I have that rattle bait in the background for whatever comes through. So hopefully we can pick up a handful of fish here. Pike on the screen, with the way he's looking, he's probably about to go hit my jig here. Come on, go do it. Even though I have other stuff that I'd way rather you hit. Let's get the rattle bait moving there in the background. Maybe he'll go hit that. Come on, go hit the rattle bait, dude. Let's see if I can just sit right there. My jig's in the bottom right. just a baby pike, but there he goes, swimming off to the left there. Actually, swim to the left. I think that would be going that way. Okay, I'm trying to think if he'd be. He won't be circling back around here. I'm gonna go hit the brattle bait, dude. Don't be bullying my little jig. Although I'll catch you on it. Okay, yeah, so if he swims kind of at the angle he's swimming, he'd be going kind of towards my my iFish Pro I have set up behind me here with a big fat head on it, so maybe that will go pop off. It'd be kind of funny if it does. I don't see him anymore. Turn my camera a little bit here. Another nice gill right down there. Come on. Suck it in. Come on. Just give it a little nibble. Turn at it. Come on, dude. Just eat it. There he is. Took him long enough. Gosh. Should be a keeper. It's not really that big. I thought it was bigger. Yeah, he's pretty small. I'll let him go. Fishing, you guys. It's just, look, there's another bluegill right there. Probably about the 50th one I've seen today on the camera. Another one behind it too. That one looks a lot nicer way back there, but maybe not. Anyway, it's just all these fish come in, just nothing. And I've caught 2. It's just insane how slow this bite is. And how it has been. That's how it's been for the last like month and a half everywhere I've went. Alright guys, clearly the bite is not too good, so I'm going to try and release this bluegill. See if he swims back. I think he should. Give him a little bit of time in there. Oh, yep. I let him sit. He was on the ice for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then I put him in the minnow bucket. It's just kind of a weird spot, but I'd get one of them clam things that they make here. I forgot what the clam ice will, but I think they only make them for 8-inch holes. If not, someone tell me in the comments below, because I really am not 100% sure. Otherwise, I would be down to get those for times like these. I'm just going to kind of let him sit in there for a little bit, and if he doesn't swim off, then I'll bring him home. Here comes a really small bluegill. See if he hits. Oh no, you're not going to hit? He came in cruising. I really thought he was going to hit it. Especially being a small ones. Usually the small ones just don't give a crap and just do it. But not that one. So he did not swim back, so I'm going to throw him on the ice here. And if I don't get like a handful more, then I'm not going to bother with flaying them up and eating them. I'm actually thinking I might go out and target catfish tomorrow. Never targeted catfish through the ice, so I might go do that tomorrow. And bring some of these guys, maybe cut them up, throw them down on an iFish Pro or something. Never really tried it, but maybe I'll have to go and rewatch some of Pig Patrol's videos, because he knows what he's doing when it comes to catfish. Through the ice, open water, all that, so I think that's the plan there. Let's see if this one takes it. I see 3 down there, but there's only one that's close to it. Come on now. Come on. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's one right here. Right there, right at the tip of my finger. He's got a huge hump head. I don't think he's like that big, but his head has like one of them humps. Usually that's like, you see that on anything, perch, bluegill, crappie. You're like, oh, big fish, but that one didn't look insanely big. Just had a weird shaped head. Got one looking at it right there. I'm just gonna let the rod sit on my knee. He's probably gonna back away and swim away like he's kind of doing now, yeah. Gosh, just so slow. Very frustrating after doing this and having it be like this for literally the last like close to 2 months probably now. It's just been so terrible. Month and a half. After that first like 2 weeks of fishing of early ice, pretty much just only the one spot I went to, though. That was the only spot they were getting good at. It's just been terrible. I know a lot of people have been getting them good, but I guess my spots were just bad this year. Neither of them looked too terrible. Like I said, most of the bluegill I've seen on here have been pretty good sized here, but it'd just be an awesome day if they would actually bite. I'd be getting on some nice fish and bringing home a lot of freezer fillers, but it's been terribly slow. There's a pike down there, guys, and he's eyeing up my minnow that I have right to my side here. Let's see if he hits it. No, you guys can't really see that. I need to get that box for this thing so I can record straight off of that thing. But to do that entire thing, it's like another $100 or so. Oh, even the pike turned away and swimming away. Wow. This is so very annoying. Alright, yo, I think we found a spot that I might set the shack up in. But we'll see here. See if the majority of these fish are dinks or not. That's a dink. We'll see here, though. We'll see if I can get any nice ones here, and if they're all small, then we'll just keep driving around the lake and seeing if we can find a different spot here. But they're pretty fired up here. Right before I turned the camera on, I had a really nice one on, and I lost him at the hole. Nice gill. Just pulled this guy up here. It's not too bad. Of course, right as I turned the camera off, it was like the second fish I caught after, but not big by any means, but it's definitely an upgrade here. A little bit of faith. Gosh, as soon as I brought the spoon up to go to a different hole, that big mark showed up again. It was unfortunate. Fish on, guys. What do we got here? Oh, it's a nice crappie. Well, not that nice, actually, but... Huh. He'll keep. Surprised it was a crappie. Came right off the bottom. Come on, pop that hook out. Sometimes you just gotta wonder how hooks get in there so good. There it goes. Got my plastic in there, huh? Not a huge crappie, probably about 10 inches, but he'll keep. I caught another bluegill off camera. Wasn't off camera on purpose. The GoPro just didn't turn on, which seems to be kind of a common thing with GoPros. I mean, it's not even cold today, and I'm sitting in my car, and it just doesn't turn on. It's the second time it did that today. But I guess nothing you can really do. Oh, guys. No. Wow, that was I definitely pinned him a little bit too. He's not coming back. That sucks. That is very tough. I don't know how he didn't get pinned. I popped him a little bit, but he didn't get pinned. That was a nice fish too. It's probably a big bluegill. It's upsetting. It's very upsetting, especially because these fish are very few and far between today. Another huge mark. This one doesn't look like a panfish. Be nice if it would go over to my iFish Pro. I got set up right over there, but of course it comes over here but not over there. Gosh, that other fish, that was nice. I guarantee that was a like 9.5 inch bluegill. Not huge, but it tastes good. Oh, fish! Crappie.
I don't want these crappie. I want the big gills. The crappie are small.
Crappie.
Except that one I caught earlier.
Oh. Not a bad one.
See him hold him up like a champ. What a purple he's got on his back. What a cutie pie.
That's pretty.
Stop there.
Nice one.
Wow.
Oh. Well, going to hit a new spot for some crack eyes. Hopefully. Yep. Packing her up. Mandy's already in the car. She's ready to go home. We're gonna head her out. We're taking her to Wissota though. We're going fishing for some crack eyes. Went back down.
Might be a walleye. Walleyes do that a lot here.
Here he comes again.
I'm trying to play 8
Oh, dude, he's right there. Oh, here come.
Here he comes.
Oh,
That was a solid. Let me grab if you can.
fish on. Here, can you hold this, babe? Oh, it's a big crappie.
Yeah.
It's a big crappie.
What do you got a slip tie out there for? It's a nice one.
Oh, yes.
Add to the pile.
Yes,
Wow.
that's what we're here for.
That is a decent crappie.
On the dead stick right there.
Let me see.
He choked it though. There's that crappie I got right there. We're gonna throw her on the ice. We're keeping some fish today. Hopefully we can get some more. Got one, two. Let's go. Still gotta get the hook out on this one, but.
What is that? What is that? Ooh.
Mom is trying to FaceTime me.
Oh no, he's stuck on the ice.
Oh no. Get him up, get him up, get him up. Decent one.
Not big, but we'll throw him on the pile too. Nice.
Boom. What's good, guys? Thank you guys for watching that video. Again, another video. We didn't catch too many fish. We did catch a nice couple crappie. Dawson got them a couple nice bluegill, but it's getting warmer here, so hopefully the fish start to turn on at a couple spots that we want to go to. We're going this weekend. We're going tomorrow morning, actually, trying to get some big crappies again. But check out the gar, guys, on the tank. I mean, he's getting big. He's probably nearing 20 inches now, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.